Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to the vlog and happy day 14 of Vlogmas. Day 14. Only 10 more days to go, you guys. I really don't know what Christmas is all about. It is a very cold and rainy and gross Tuesday here today. Very sad because Connor left this morning to go to San Francisco. He's literally not even gone for one full day. He comes back tomorrow night. He had to leave pretty early this morning though to get there because he had some early meetings. He has meetings all day today and all day tomorrow, and then he is getting home in the evening tomorrow, hopefully, if everything goes as planned. I'm a little worried that his flight might get delayed because of weather stuff, because it's just so gross, but hopefully not. So I've been up for a little while since he left pretty early, and I wanted to get up to say goodbye to him. Terrible, terrible timing, because he gets back at like, I don't know, 6:30 or 7 tomorrow, and then I leave at 8 a.m. on Thursday, so sort of sucks. Not a lot of time together before spending quite a bit of time apart. Going to be a bit of a busy day today. The first thing we need to do this morning is head out to make a copy of the key to our apartment so that I have a key to give to our cat sitter. So that will be first up. And then the cat sitter is coming here today, so I need to show her like all of Molly's stuff and you know what she can expect. We are just using a cat sitter from Rover this time. I used to have a cat sitter in my old building, but obviously they're all the way in downtown, so needed to find someone new for the holidays. Usually there's a friend or someone who can watch her, but obviously over the holidays it's a little bit harder to find people who are staying around LA. Hopefully everything goes well with this girl and we really like her and can use her going forward whenever we need it. And then I figured while we're out, we can maybe pop over to Starbucks and then maybe over to Whole Foods potentially, just to pick up a few little things. Though I don't know if I really will need them. Maybe not actually. I take it back. I don't think we're gonna go to Whole Foods. So yeah, maybe just a Starbucks and then come back here. Really hoping the rain stops for a little while, since obviously I'm going to be walking, so that will be interesting. But I cannot believe how soon I leave for the holidays. It's actually unbelievable. Tomorrow's gonna be really busy. I'm actually getting a haircut tomorrow. I'm getting so many messages or like comments being like, you need to cut your hair, which like, I know. I just wanted to get them right before the holidays, that way we're good to go. I'm trying to decide whether I want her to blow it out too or not. I'm thinking probably not, but maybe, we'll see. But yeah, plan for my hair. Actually, you know what? We will talk about that tomorrow when I'm actually getting my hair cut. Why would I bring that up now? Hair's getting pretty long though, and it clearly needs cleanup. Like these pieces are so much longer than the rest. I mean, it just needs a lot of help. So I'm excited for that tomorrow, but enough about tomorrow. Let's focus on today. Am I right? It does look like the rain is slowing down a little, so I think we are going to head out momentarily here to get this done with, especially because we have a call at noon, so have to be back here by then. Hair's looking crazy, y'all. Okay. Oh, I can't get this one little piece to just stay in my bun. Okay. Anyway, we have gotten a small little lull from the rain here, and it looks like for the next hour it's not going to rain. Hopefully I'm wearing a hoodie just in case, and you know what, if we get caught in the rain, we get caught in the rain. It's not that big of a deal. But just threw on some leggings, sweatshirt, and we are getting ready to head out and make a copy of our apartment key. Actually, I'm going to really quickly call that place just to make sure, confirm that I can come by right now. I feel like it's one of those machines that just like ring and ring and ring and ring.
Please leave your message for 805.
Okay, we're gonna risk it because you know what? It has to be done, so let's go do it. Anyone else super grateful for masks on chilly days? Obviously do not need to be wearing a mask right now, but might as well because it keeps my face nice and warm. Feels lovely. We have arrived and still no rain. Got my key, but they were cash only, so I'm buying a suit from Gelson's to get cash back. Okay, mission successful, and we still have been rained on, so we're going to take a risk and walk over towards the Starbucks and grab a little Starbucks for a day, and then we need to head home because we have a lot to do today. Thank you. We are back home and just in time because it literally just started raining again. It was like just drizzling on me when I was getting close to back to my place. So we made it. It is all good. Look at how red my face is. I was so warm walking home because there's so many hills in our neighborhood that were like killing me for some reason. But made it home just in time because We, sorry, got distracted by a message and I don't remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, just in time because I have a call at noon, which is in about 20 minutes. Picked up a Starbucks, had to get a red cup. It's only my second one of the year because I just don't live that close to a Starbucks anymore, so I don't really go that often. Just got my classic chai, but in warm form. That way I could enjoy a nice warm drink on this chilly day. Okay, my little love. Look at her face. Lunchtime for me, lunchtime for you, right? Finish off this bag. There you go. Good girl. It's so gray and dark out because of this rainy weather. It literally feels like it's 5 p.m., but we can turn the Christmas lights on. Yay, wait, there we go. So now that the Christmas tree is on and everything is right in the world, let's make some lunch. I'm thinking that I want to make this sort of like crab salad thing that I saw someone make on Instagram, but obviously with my own twist as per usual. So let me collect what I need. Where is this TikTok recipe? Oh, there it is. Cucumber. I think I'm gonna throw some rice into mine as well to give it like a little extra oomph. She calms, so I added to the telly. That song is constantly stuck in my head, you guys. And I'm weirdly not that mad about it. I find it very catchy. So I'm starting by just cutting up some cucumber and I'm just quartering them like this. And I will show you how I do that. So I obviously already cut the cucumber in half. So that's the first thing you do. I usually just like stand it up straight like this and cut it down. Then you're going to cut it in half long ways, like so. And then just across, and it creates these little quarter bits. Then with her crab, she cut it up really small. You guys can't really see what I'm doing, eh? Let me zoom out a little. There we go, that'll be better. Yeah, I'm gonna cut mine up into like sort of small pieces like this. Oh, cutting up this crab is taking an annoying amount of time. I'm gonna use some chives. Her recipe has green onion, but I don't have green onion, so we're using chives as a substitute. Gotta get our corn in there. And I'm gonna use a generous amount of this just because this will go bad before I probably get to use all of it, so might as well. Rice, this is leftover fried rice from Trader Joe's. I think that's everything, so now to season it up, we need salt and pepper, a little bit of cayenne in mine as well, just because it sounds yummy. And then she uses mayonnaise in hers, but I think I'm gonna use Kewpie mayonnaise in mine. We'll give this a mix and see what happens here. Get our cayenne in there, a little bit of spice. This looks pretty good, should we just try a bite? Just sort of like a crab rice bowl, I guess, at this point. Very delicious. Probably had just a little bit more Kewpie, not too much, honestly. Cayenne added a good amount of heat. And this actually looks like it's gonna be more filling than I thought, so let's eat. I have a little bit of our chai left, so I'm going to just heat that up for the next little bit of our day here. Feeling really tired and lazy, but after lunch, the cat sitter came by, so took care of that. That is all good to go. She seems very nice. I think that will just be fine. Ooh, brr, I'm a little cold. Molly. Molly cat. Molly. Does somebody want to come for a cuddle? Huh? Oh, my jacket's from the haul yesterday. Come on up. Come on. Oh, good girl. Hi. Oh, you're reaching up for me? So cute. Come on, jump up. We're using a nice cozy blankie because it's cold. Okay, drama queen, do you need me to pick you up? Fine. Wow, there we go. Hi, baby girl. Oh my god, my hair looks so crazy. Really looking forward to my haircut tomorrow, actually. Oh man, I'm tired, Molly cat. Very tired, feeling very lazy, but it's 4 p.m. I want to do, like, I really was gonna try to call it at 4, but that's not gonna happen at this point, so I'm just gonna keep powering through. Worst case, I'll work for another hour and just work until 5, and that's obviously not that bad or big of a deal. I just am feeling really unmotivated today, to be honest. Well, everyone, it is 5:04 p.m. and we are just wrapping up the workday. Not so bad, all in all, honestly, even though I really did want to call it early. I'm glad that I pushed through and got done everything that had to be done, so it's all good. And the rest of the night is going to be very chill. Was just trying to be on FaceTime with Conor, but we have a terrible signal. But hopefully we'll be able to reconnect at some point. Oh, here he is calling me again. Okay, let's see what the deal is. Hello, babe.
Hey, baby.
There we go. No, that's fine. Alrighty, lovely chat with Connor. Poor Coco, his flight kept getting delayed because of the weather, but he finally made it there just a couple hours after he was supposed to. He also had to deal with Delta Airlines, which we just do not enjoy Delta in general, so that was interesting too. Anyway, I guess I'm just really popping in to say hi. I'm about to just veg on the couch for the rest of the day. But I did want to share some sort of disappointing news with you guys. Disappointing for me. I can't believe that I'm even saying this, but we had to cancel our Hawaii trip again. If you guys don't know, the backstory to this is that March of 2020, before the pandemic started, because my birthday is right at the beginning, March 2nd, Connor bought me a trip to Hawaii for the two of us, and we were supposed to go in like April of that year, May, June, somewhere in there. I don't know exactly, I can't remember. Obviously, we all know what happens during 2020, so we cancel our trip and decide instead this year that we were going to go over New Year's with Kate and Alex. So we booked that and it was all officially happening and good to go. And then we had to cancel it again. There's a few reasons why. We actually canceled it a little while ago. I just sort of forgot to talk to you guys about it. But now I am sort of glad that we canceled it with the new variant that's going around, Omicron. Definitely, you know, glad that we're not going to be traveling too much or like vacationing too much right during this time, since we are sort of in the midst of figuring out what the effects of that are going to be. On top of that, traveling to Hawaii over New Year's, very expensive. And did we book early enough so that it wasn't? Hell no. So we were literally looking at 3-star hotels with questionable reviews about how cleanly it was, which is obviously not really what you want right now or ever. And that we were still going to spend like $2,000 a person for this hotel. And that was 4 of us. So very, very expensive. It was not worth it. There was nowhere good to stay. And we just didn't want to just go for the sake of going because we had decided to. And as I said, it sort of has worked out now, but it definitely does suck. Like I hate the idea that we don't get to go now. Hi, Molly. You trying to come in for a cuddle? Here she comes. Good girl. Good girl. Spin her around and drop her down. There you go. Did want to let you guys know, unfortunately those plans have changed, but we have really, really fun backup plans that sort of came to be after we decided to cancel our trip. So myself and a bunch of friends have rented a house in Palm Springs over New Year's, which is going to be really, really fun. And on actual New Year's, we are doing a murder mystery party. I feel like that's going to be so much fun. We're there for like 3 nights, so it's going to be just, you know, a really good time. I'm not going to be vlogging any of that, so sorry, but it's not happening. I never vlog after Vlogmas until the next year, so nothing new. I never vlog on New Year's or anything because I'm just trying to have a good time, let loose, and not carry this hunk of metal around with me. Either way, it's going to be a blast, and definitely will be documenting everything on my Instagram, so shameless self-plug. Go follow me on Instagram for all of that future content and current content and content in general. Just follow me. Why not? This little kitty cat. Hi, baby. Look at this tiny face. Love you. That's it. That is what I have to say. Guys, I am so out of things to talk about on the vlog. I can't even tell you. It's unbelievable. So it goes. And I'm just going to relax, find something to watch. And I'll probably just check in with you guys when I'm making dinner, maybe? I don't even know. We're gonna see. Gotta have the Christmas tree in the background, naturally. Maybe a little bit less, but yes. Okay, dinner time. It honestly was not that relaxing of a bit there. I was on the phone with Connor for a while, and then Brendan asked if I could FaceTime him to help him with the self-tape, which obviously I was happy to do. So did that with him, and then Connor called me back and talked to him for another little while. So it is 8 p.m. and I have not really relaxed much at all, but that's okay. Won't find me complaining. But it is dinner time. So what I am making today, all of these knives seem very aggressive, and this one is not clean. So for dinner, I think I'm going to do sushi with soup dumplings, which should be very yummy. I'm very excited about it. I don't have any fish because I did use that crab at lunch. Instead of fish, I'm just gonna use some sriracha tofu. That will be yummy. I have cucumber, I have avocado. I honestly can't believe I haven't talked to you guys about this yet, but I have been on this mission to learn how to cut the perfect avocado so that it like looks nice, like fanned out,
You guys know the vibe. So I recently learned a new trick, which is to peel the avocado rather than scooping it. I'm still not great at the other parts, but this is it's an ongoing journey, you know, and it's getting better, so I can't fault myself too much. And it's surprisingly easy to peel an avocado. I thought it would be hard, like the avocado would be really sort of fragile, but it's not too fragile. It's actually sort of sturdy down there. The hardest part is honestly just finding like a piece that will peel really well. You do have to be gentle with it, but oh yeah, look at that, the whole piece. And then you have like this avocado that you can put down and cut. Right, and then it's all sliced up, and then in theory, all you should need to do is just like push it down and it would like fold really nice. Oh, it's not too bad, you guys. That's one of my better ones actually in the end. Right, like it's okay. It's the best I've ever done. So there's progress, and that's what I'm saying. I'm not good at this yet, but this is our mission and we are working on it. So there you go. All right, got all of our goodies here. Very excited. I'm pretty bummed because my soup dumplings kept sticking to the packaging and like cracking open, and the soup is falling out of them, which is sort of the best part. So that's disappointing, but that's okay. I think we were able to salvage most of them. And I think I've decided that I'm going to watch the next episodes of next episode, period. Well, not period. Anyway, Jillian, getting so out of hand. The next episode of Scenes from a Marriage. So that is the plan. Guys, these stroop waffles that I got sent to me for St. Nicholas Day are seriously so good. Conor and I are flying through them. Like, we can't stop eating them. They are so amazing. If you ever see anything from Cookie Brothers, get these ones. They're so good. And I have moved on to more Love Island, you guys. We are just binging away. Episode 41 right now. Just dying to get to the end at this point. Like, how is there still 9 more episodes? Alrighty, friends, it is bedtime. Oh, I am tired. It's 11 p.m. It was very good to get into bed, and I'm honestly just gonna turn on some ASMR. I really value my ASMR time when Conor isn't here because I really do miss falling asleep to it, and tonight is my only night while he's gone. Not that I mind, because I'm so excited for him to get back tomorrow. It's gonna be a really busy day tomorrow though, getting ready to fly to Jersey. Oh Lord, help me. I am really excited though to be home for the holidays again. It's gonna be great. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.
So I'm offering this sample